In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to file an IRS tax extension online for free. Let's get started. So first, go to the official IRS website and search for Free File extension or directly access Form 4868, which is the application for automatic tax extension. This form is what the IRS uses to give you an extra 6 months to file your federal tax return. Once you open the form, you'll see simple sections where you enter your basic information like your name, address, and social security number. Next, you'll need to estimate your total tax liability for the year and enter your payments you have already made. Don't worry, if the number is not perfect, the goal is just to make a reasonable estimate. If you owe taxes, remember that the extension gives you more time to file, not more time to pay. So any estimated amount due should still be paid by original deadline to avoid penalties. After filing everything out, you can submit the form electronically using IRS Free File providers, which allows you to file your extension online at no cost. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation that your extension has been accepted, giving you extra time, usually until October, to complete your full tax return. And that's it. That's how you can file an IRS extension online for free. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.